Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram bonuses if it's not showing. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. First up, you need to ensure that you have a professional or creator or even business account, okay, and is 18 plus, and that is of course of age, okay, and is located in the US or South Korea, okay. Also, your account doesn't have any policy violations. Now, if you're sure that you don't have any violation, you are 18 plus and you live in the US and South Korea, well, the fix for this is by just closing the Instagram app. Go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store, find Instagram. And if there's an update button, just go ahead and update it. And once done, reopen it and check if it helps, okay? Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and find the app icon. If you're using Android, tap on hold, tap on information right here. Tap on storage, tap on clear cache and clear data. Okay, once that's done, reopen Instagram. If you're using iOS, go to the app section and just locate Instagram and tap on offload data or offload app. And then once that's done again, open Instagram. Now, if that still will work, simple fix here, just log out and log back in. Okay, or if you have multiple accounts, tap on the account center right here, log in with the other account, and then just log back in to the main account that you're using where you wanted to fix the Instagram bonuses. Okay, and after that, just go out and check if it helps. And that is it. That's how you fix Instagram bonuses if that's not showing. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.